I-94 in Wisconsin.
But it is so much more than that. I mean, what we're really seeing is the creation of a national blueprint for what's being called an intelligent infrastructure economic zone.
An economic zone, so
Well,
not just a road.
not at all. The entire strategy is about securing national supply chains.
Yeah.
It's really the first physical example of the proposed Intelligent Infrastructure Commerce and Defense Act of 2026.
Okay, so that's our mission then. To unpack how this is all coming together, we have this federal vision, some really new financial ideas, and a massive private tech investment.
A huge investment.
So let's start right there with the financial muscle. Microsoft is putting in a colossal amount of money.
Yeah, $3.3 billion. It's a huge commitment to build out their cloud and AI infrastructure. They're building a massive data center campus in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin.
And it's right there along the corridor. You know, there's a local angle too, isn't there? The CEO, Satya Nadella, he's a UW-Milwaukee alum.
He is.
Yeah.
And that, I think, points to how integrated this is. It's not just them dropping a data center in a field.
Right.
They're connecting it to a statewide strategy. They're creating the country's first manufacturing-focused AI co-innovation lab right there on the UW-Milwaukee campus.
Oh, interesting.
And that lab then plugs into Titletown Tech in Green Bay, which you might know Microsoft co-founded with the Green Bay Packers.
So it's creating this whole innovation grid.
Exactly. It supports the whole industrial base that uses I-94 every single day.
Okay, so that's the tech backbone. But how does the road itself become, intelligent? What does it actually do?
Well, the goal is to enable what they're calling Autonomy 2.0.
Autonomy 2.0.
Yeah, and for that, the road needs a kind of a software-defined nervous system. So they're installing a grid of these things called PNNs.
PNNs.
Public Infrastructure Network Nodes. Think of them as hyper-advanced little boxes all along the highway, providing centimeter-level positioning data and super-fast next-G connectivity.
Okay, but hold on. If the main data center is in Mount Pleasant, how does a truck, say, 100 miles away, get that data instantly? Isn't there a delay?
That is the perfect question, and the answer is edge computing.
Right.
The PINs themselves have computing power, so the processing happens right there, on the edge of the network, on the road itself. You don't have to send it all the way back to the cloud.
So that's how you get to zero latency.
That's how you get to zero latency, immediate, real-time communication. It's the only way you can safely run autonomous long-haul trucks or, drone delivery systems.
So this infrastructure becomes a service platform, infrastructure as a service.
You got it. And that's vital for the defense industrial base. Imagine a shipyard needing a critical part from a Wisconsin manufacturer. This corridor basically guarantees that part gets there securely and on time.
Okay, but this sounds incredibly expensive. I mean, how is this all being paid for without just piling on more and more federal debt?
And that is maybe the most revolutionary part of this entire plan. It's a model championed by William T. Nolan called the Continuum of Capital.
The Continuum of Capital.
Yes, and it's designed to be an American answer to China's state-funded Belt and Road Initiative. Instead of government debt, it's designed to mobilize U.S. private capital.
Private capital, so like pension funds, investors.
Exactly. Long-term investors. It uses things like infrastructure bonds and revenue sharing to fund the project, which deploys it faster and keeps it in American hands.